Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Good to have you all. Such an amazing time and amazing moment together. Happy Sunday and happy weekend, everybody. I want Mr. Ayeni to handle today's class. I'll leave it to you guys to do one or two things together. Let me share my screen and then expect you guys to go and then teach us. Show us the way. Teach us. By saying the chat for us. Show us the way. And let's go there, guys. Over to you, sir. I would have done. I want you to brush in everything from A to Z so we can move to the next thing, sir. Thank you.
Should I talk about what we talked about in the last class, or I should just bisect the chat?
Everything entirely, sir.
Okay, so what we talked about in the last class was not on the chat, it was pure how to manage your loss, risk management. Are you there, Mr. Wally?
Sir, I'm with you now, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir. 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 I can hear you. I can hear you. So, sir, let's do a quick analyzing on this pair. This CADJPY. Okay. What do you think it will happen on this pair like this?
Like, was it like a what do you say? What are you trying to point out, sir?
If you are to analyze this pair like this, how will you bisect it? How will you analyze it? You can go to any time frame of your choice if you like. If you don't understand this 4-hour time frame, you can go to any time frame of your choice.
So, like, what will happen at the end point of the market, right?
Yeah. What will happen next?
What's the footage?
Yes, sir. Have you perfected your psychology line drawing?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So bisect it, sir. You can go to any time frame. You can ask coach to change to any time frame of your choice.
It's a group of things, though.
Coach, can we go to daily, sir? Maybe it's not seeing it very well. Can you see clearly now, sir?
Okay. Yeah.
You can see it. You can see the trend line.
Yeah.
I told you the first thing.
Downward trend.
Yeah, exactly. So what will you be looking for?
At the downward trend, you do a step.
Okay. You see that it's a downward trend. Then you go to 4 hours. Coach, go to 4 hours, sir. You can see the market did a small, uptrend, but generally it's still on a downward trend. So what can you see there? What can you see there? What will you go for? What will you go for in this market like this?
What is that?
What will we go for with the market like this? Using price action and market structure. You can see another higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low forming there. And it did something.
Yes.
It did something. So what is that? I want you to answer me. You can see an uptrend, right? You can see a very short uptrend. Okay. Forming higher high, higher low. Yeah. Forming higher high. Let me explain like this. The market generally is on downtrend. Is on downtrend like this.
Yeah.
But in that downtrend, it's trying to form a higher high, higher low on the 4-hour time frame. So judging from price action, after higher high, higher low, it's supposed to form another high, right? But now it's not forming another high. It's trying to form like equal. You can see it's equal.
You can see it's equal.
That means, judging from what coach taught us, like buyers are no more stronger in the market. You can see rejections.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's now forming a pattern. What type of pattern is it forming now, sir?
W pattern.
How? Where do you see W?
So, an M pattern rather.
Okay, so it's forming an M pattern like this. So I will ask coach to go to another time frame. Coach, please, can we go to another time frame? Go to 1 hour, sir. You can see it clearly now. You see it clearly, more clearly now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it. Coach, let's go to 4 hours again. I want to see something. I want to check something out. 4 hours, sir. Okay. One hour, sir. Go to 1 hour, sir. Hello, coach. Okay. Yeah. 15 minutes, sir. Go to 15 minutes, sir. So, can you see a support and resistance on these 15 minutes, Mr. Wale?
Oh.
Can you see the support and resistance on these 15 minutes?
Yes.
Can you please show us where you can find the support and resistance, sir?
Yeah. Towards the Are you trying to tell me saying the range, right? Where exactly it comes from?
Yeah. Just tell me the range. Just tell me the range. That's all I need.
From okay. From 1.06, 1.007.
107. Wow. No. No. Do you understand what I meant by support term resistance? I'm not talking about psychology line.
Okay. Well,
I'm
you said I
talking
should
about
point out.
no. Point out where the support. When the support term resistance, you can see the support is around 1.6950 downward, between 1.6950 to 1.6900. That's around the support, and you can see the market going back to the zone which it has used for the support before, turning it into resistance. So what you should be waiting for right now is for it to come back to the level again, to touch the level again, then it will form an M pattern. Then you enter the trade for a sell market. You wait for confirmation.
Yes.
Do you understand, sir?
Yes, I'm listening, sir. I'm listening.
Kochi, am I right? Coach. Hello, coach.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we done with that explanation?
Yes, sir. I want to ask something from coach.
Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
coach. Hello, sir. Hello, coach.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How are we?
Am I right so far? Are
I'm
you
not
with
been
us,
following
sir?
you. I'm doing something else, so. But I know I will ask questions when you are done. So just make sure you are perfect.
Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
are done, sir. We are done analyzing this.
Everything we have done so far, I want you to unbox it. This one, concerning these ones, and all this, the feedback we did on the fundamental, everything. Onboard him. I want you to really get him to the stage he has missed, and then the stage you are now. I want you to onboard him on that level.
Okay. The problem is he can't learn about it in a day. So we'll take it bit by bit, sir. We'll take it bit by. Do you understand, sir?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yes, sir. So we are taking it bit by bit. Bit by bit.
Okay.
Firstly, I think you understand support term resistance term support. Do you understand that?
Time.
Do you understand when you
Let
see a
me try.
support term? Hello, sir.
Hello, I'm with you, sir.
I said, do you understand when it support term resistant and when resistant term supports?
Yeah. Well, to my own instance, that the market wants to change structure. Am I correct with that?
What do you say, sir?
My own understanding about my own
Okay.
little understanding about support and resistance is that market
Okay.
wants to change structure. That's what happens. Am I right with that?
No, 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 no. So support is when you see two or more touches in one zone. If it respect the touches higher, that means it's a resistance. If it is below, it's a support.
Yeah, I know that. I
So,
was just saying the situation whereby support or resistance, like the way coach you tell us that support can change to resistance or something.
mm-hmm.
This is what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get you.
Eh? Hope
I'm
you get what
trying
I'm
to
trying to
understand.
point out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly. He can
There's a
still be
point
on
where
the same. He can still be on the same structure. That doesn't mean,
they are trying to level to play.
sir. What do you say, sir?
I said, in case of what I'm saying is that they are saying the same psychological level, same psych level.
Same cycle level.
I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, or if I see like something like a thing, I can actually draw it on. This is
You
what I'm
can
trying to
ask
say.
coach to if you can see the example on the chart, you can ask coach to move his mouse, then show us. Hello, sir. Are you there?
I'm with you, sir. You can
I said
continue
if you can,
telling that.
then what are your conferences when you enter markets like that you'll be looking for? How will you bisect the chart from the beginning to the end? If I haven't tell you anything about this chart, how will you bisect it on your own?
Okay. One, I'll look at what the market is doing at the moment. Are you doing?
Of course, sir. Of course, sir. How will you look at it? Like from which time frame?
I'll check the trend.
Which trend? From
I'll
what
check
time
the
frame?
for what
From what
time
time
frame?
frame? Mm-hmm.
Oh, the daily time frame is the one that shows the
Okay. The main trend. That's the main trend, right?
yes.
So ask coach to go to like daily time frame now. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Are you talking to
Your
me?
voice is breaking. No, sir. No, sir. I'm talking to him. His voice is breaking. Hello, sir. Are you there? Are you still there, sir? Hello. Ah.
Hello, sir. Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Loud and clear.
Okay. I can hear you now. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you loud and clear now.
It's more clear now, right?
Yeah, more clearer, very more clearer.
So I was connected to a Bluetooth, that's why. So
okay.
that was why the voice was, that's why it seems so far away.
Okay. Now let's go. If you have to bicep this chart like this, what will you do?
Because I said I'll first check the trend, what the market is doing at the moment. And you asked me that
time
which
frame?
time
Yeah.
On daily time frame.
Okay, coach, trend. Can we go to daily time frame, sir? Hello, coach.
15 minutes is my point of entry.
Yeah, exactly.
Whereas the 4 hours is the main trend.
Oh, yes.
And then 1 hour time frame is the current trend of the market.
Okay, nice. We are waiting for coach now to change it to the daily time frame like this, so we can bicep it from there.
Yes, sir.
Coach, are you there, sir? Hello, coach.
Sir?
Sir, yes, sir.
Well, we are like he asked us to go to like daily time frame, so
Okay,
it can be a top analysis.
Okay, daily.
Okay, sir. So let's go now. What are you saying there, sir? What are you saying here?
From the daily time frame.
Okay.
I can see that one. I can see a downward trend clearly.
Okay.
So the market has been selling until like there's until you get to, and it's trying to form another upward trend. Generally, the market is doing a downward trend.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Okay.
But there's a change in structure towards the.
There's never a change in structure, because with this time frame we are looking at, market cannot just go down. Market will not go down like down. It will go like higher, lower, low, lower, high.
No. Yes.
Lower, high, lower, low. You can see. Let's start from the top. Coach, can we start from the top?
I'm seeing it.
Okay.
I'm seeing the lower high and higher low. So, but towards the downside, the last one, that's what I don't. Something's happening.
That is where you can find the trend line. That is a lower high. So it's supposed to form a lower low. So what we should be looking.
But it's not forming an equal high.
There's not an equal high.
Okay.
There's not an equal high. There's not an equal high yet.
What actually formed there?
Yeah, it's still a lower high. Yeah, lower high.
Okay.
Yeah, it's respected the trend line.
It's slightly. I'm with you.
Yeah, it's respected the trend line.
From the former. It was different from the one that was coming, right?
You can see the trend line, bah.
Yeah, I saw the trend line, sir.
So in a downward market will form a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it's just that the lower high is so massive. Okay, that's the reason why it comes up like that. But what you should be looking for now is a lower low.
Yes.
Because it's still a downward market generally.
Generally, I can see that generally.
Yeah. The green one you can see there is maybe forming a short higher high, higher low. So, but it's still under the downward trend. So what you have to do right now is go to like 4 hours time frame to check what is. So you've know that okay, what you should be looking for generally is a downward trend. But what are your conferences? What are your confirmations that you see that okay, this market is on a lower trend, true. So you go to like
okay, sir.
4 hours time frame to see what you can find there. Coach, please go to 4 hours time frame, sir.
Okay.
Hello, coach.
The 4 hours time frame will show us the main trend, right? Hello, sir.
Exactly, sir. I can answer. Okay, 4 hours. Okay. So can you see it now that the green one is trying to form another pattern like high, but it's still under the main trend. It's still under the main downtrend. So
the main trend. Okay.
It's still under the main trend, which is a downward trend. Okay. So when you get to the trend line drawn, it respected the trend line. And what can you see right here?
Sir?
What can you see right here? When it gets to the trend. When it gets to the trend.
Support, turn resistance, turn support.
No. What you see there, you can see an M pattern forming.
M pattern forming, yes.
You can see an M pattern, which signifies that it's still on a downtrend.
Okay.
And you can see it under a psychology line, psychology level. You can see that it's just on the psychology level.
At 1.07.34, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can see the psychology level is like point of action.
Yeah,
point of action. Like what is going to happen here? What is going to happen here? You can see that he broke the psychology level down.
Yes.
So that means we should be looking for a down market. Then after that, then you go to 1 hour time frame to see again, okay, I need to be more sure what is truly going on in the market. Okay, let me see. Coach, please, can we go to 1 hour? Coach.
Hello, coach. Coach.
Yes, sir.
Well, can we go to 1 hour, sir? You can see it clearly now, the double top forming an M pattern, right?
Yes.
So ever since it formed a double top on the psychology level and it broke down the psychology level, you can see the market going on a downtrend.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll be looking at for a sell market. Then you go to 15 minutes time frame to enter. Can we go to 15 minutes, coach? Hello, coach.
Yes, sir. 15, Abi.
Yes, sir. So can you see what is happening here, sir? So what you should be looking out for on this time frame is what you should, are you there, sir?